I'm gonna make for dinner chicken schnitzel. Ang cute ng ating pound lang tayo. This is asparagus, olive oil, salt, and paprika. Yeah. So we have 2 pan para sabay, and this one for the gravy. Then the gravy and the other one. And mix the bowl and it's done. It's done. The gravy.